Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a what I eat in the day video. This is a weight loss what I eat in the day, and I'm just kind of taking you throughout the day, showing you my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, kind of some of my favorite meals to cook or make for a weight loss. Now, I have been a little bit off track for the past few weeks, but I want to get back into it. I keep saying this. I've just been really struggling really hard with weight loss and the journey and just finding things to eat. So when I do come up with good creative ideas or find some really good Pinterest recipes, I like to show you guys what I'm eating. So I wanted to take this time to share with you guys that I did create a brand new Instagram for my weight loss journey and all of my weight loss like meals and workouts. It's all gonna be on my new Instagram called stephsfitjrney. I post there mostly every day if I can, and I kind of update you guys on what's going on in my life weight loss wise, as well as just like struggles with mental health and all of that stuff. So it's over there on my Steph's Fit Journey Instagram. I'll link it down below. Definitely go follow me on there if you guys want to see more of like my recipe stuff over there. It's definitely a really good place for me to kind of just check in with you guys and be more updated on a daily basis. It's just easier for me to post recipes as well on there instead of filming full videos, but I'm still gonna do videos as well. But I just wanted a place that I can post more of my progress and more information for you guys on my weight loss journey is over on that Instagram. So definitely check it out. If you are curious to see what I eat in a day or any of my other weight loss videos, I do have a whole playlist. I will list it down below in the description box and it will be annotated up here. Go check it out to see all of my weight loss journey recipes and all that stuff. I have a ton of videos on that. But if you guys want to see what I had to eat for the day, then go ahead and please keep watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna make the overnight oats. My dad is sleeping, so if you hear him snoring, apologies. So this is my oats that I'm gonna make the night before. So I'm taking my 1/2 cup of oats. I just spilled some. I'm not a chef, guys, okay? And I'm taking, this is 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. My camera's not focusing, but that's okay. And then I'm going to take 1 cup of almond milk. You can use whatever milk you'd like to use. I don't drink regular milk, so almond milk it is. Then I'm just gonna take my spoon and I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit just to like mix everything up. And I'm just gonna put the lid on so that I can put it in the fridge, and then you're good to go in the morning. And then when it's the morning, I'll show you what I put on top of it. I usually will add some fruit in the morning, so we'll see you guys in the morning. All right guys, so it is the next morning. We took our overnight oats out of the fridge. This is what they look like. I went ahead and added a little bit more almond milk to mine because it was a little bit too thick for my consistency that I usually like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a bowl today. So I'm going to dump this out. This is what it looks like. If this is too thick for you, or you like your overnight oats to be a little bit more runny, you can add more milk in the morning, but I like mine like this, so this is fine. So I'm just flattening this out because I want to make it a nice presentation for the video, but if I was normally doing this, I would just throw everything in there, but we're gonna attempt to make it look pretty today. So I already have my fruit cut up over here, which I have half of a banana, some strawberries and blueberries. Also started my fitness Instagram, so if you guys want to follow it, I'll have it on the screen here, and you guys can go follow me there, and I'll be posting more of like my food stuff over there, as well as workouts that you guys are always asking about. So that's like the best place you can find all that other information at. Now you can also add some granola if you want. I'm going to add just a little bit. I'm using this Jewel brand. It's the Organics Oats and Honey granola. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that on top of this side here. And I'm gonna top mine off with just a little bit of honey. Whatever honey you have is fine. there you have it. This is my overnight oat bowl. I love it. It's so good. I love anything that's literally in a bowl. I don't know, I just think it makes it look and taste better. So this is breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. Okay, for lunch today, I'm gonna be making chicken gyro bowls, and this is like a new recipe that I'm trying out, so I got it off of Pinterest. You can add and take away things that you don't like that I'm using. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna be using brown rice today for my bowl. Now, you don't have to use brown rice if you don't want to. You can just completely just have it the way it is without the brown rice, or you can also have it on a actual pita. But I'm not gonna do that today just because I'd rather have the brown rice. So we have brown rice. I already have pre-cooked grilled chicken here. It's just seasoned. This is like leftovers from dinner, so I'm gonna reuse that chicken today. We're just gonna warm it up when it's time. You're also gonna need some feta cheese. You don't have to have feta cheese if you don't like it, but I like it. I'm also gonna be using today that Trader Joe's tzatziki creamy and garlic cucumber dip. You need a Roma tomato, a red onion, and cucumbers. And I'm also going to be using Kalamata olives, which I love Kalamata olives. They're my favorite. You don't have to add any of these things that you don't like, so you can do what you please. With the red onion, I'm not going to obviously use a whole onion. I'm going to cut up a little bit of it. Same with the tomato. I'm probably just going to use the whole tomato since I'm doing this for me and my mom. And then cucumber, just a little bit. I'm not the biggest cucumber fan. So we're gonna put all this stuff together and I'll show you guys me assembling my bowl. We have our chicken, Kalamata olives, red onion, cucumber, tomato, tzatziki sauce, feta cheese, brown rice. And these are the bowls that we are using. They're from the Dollar Tree. Look how cute they are. They have little pineapples on them. My camera is not focusing for whatever reason. Focus. Okay, well, it's not focusing. So we're gonna have it in these bowls. So take a 1/3 cup of rice. I mean a 1/2 cup. That's what I meant to say is a 1/2 cup. All right, so I flattened out the rice. We're gonna take our cucumbers. Our tomatoes. I like tomatoes. Some red onion. I'm not going to do a lot because I don't really know if I have an allergy to onions, but I think I do. So I'm not going to put a ton in there. Then I'm going to do some Kalamata olives this side. And then I'm going to take my chicken. All right, and then I'm going to add some feta cheese on top. Okay guys, so this is the bowl. I put 2 tablespoons of the tzatziki sauce because I like it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so here I'm just taking the zucchini and I'm shredding it with like a peeler, potato peeler, and I'm just making these into my noodles. And then my mom's gonna take over because she was just a lot quicker with it. I just am slow, so my mom took over with that. We're gonna put all the shredded zucchini noodles into the pan, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna add just a pinch of Himalayan salt, just a pinch. Okay, then you're gonna saute those for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna, when this is sauteed for 5 minutes, we're gonna come back and we're gonna put the pasta sauce in there as well as my turkey meatballs. All right, now that we cooked these up, we're gonna add our pasta sauce in. You can use whatever sauce you wanna use. Is this regular sauce or vodka sauce? Vodka sauce. That's what it's not really the true color of vodka sauce, but we're gonna add the sauce in there. put a little bit. And then I'm just gonna mix this around. I'm gonna turn this down on low. Actually, I might even just leave it like that. Okay, so we're just gonna let that just warm up with the sauce. I could probably turn the heat off in a second, so I don't need to have, yeah, we could turn the heat off. And we're just going to then put it on our plate and add our turkey meatballs, and I'll show you guys the finished results. Now I just added in about 6 little small turkey meatballs. We just made small ones because we didn't want to make like really big ones because we didn't have enough of the Italian seasoned meat. If you guys want me to do a video on my turkey meatballs, give this video a thumbs up and I will do that for you guys. Okay, to top off my little zucchini noodles, I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese on top. This is optional, but I love cheese and I need to add cheese. It's just a necessity. You can't have pasta without cheese, okay? You just can't. And if someone tries to tell you that, cut them out of your life.
Okay.
That's toxicity at its finest right there. All right, so that is going to complete my what I eat in a day video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this or more of my weight loss videos, give this video a thumbs up. Really helps me out. How many times did I say video in the last 30 seconds? Too many times. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite recipe from today's what I eat in a day. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Like I mentioned earlier in the beginning of this video, I do have a whole weight loss Instagram. It's just Steph's Fit Journey. I'll link it down below. Follow me over there for more like day-to-day updates. Like you will see most of my newer recipes over there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming. Bye guys.